Welcome to a new exciting tutorial. Today I will show you how to do it very easily. Convert a normal photo to an HDR photo. So begin, we will open this photo, then move to the Adjustments tab in the PhotoKaya software. Now we will click once on the Auto Adjustment tool, and to fine-tune, adjust the opacity of the layer. I will merge again. Next we remove shadows from skin. Click once on this tool. I will take a flattened image once more. To maintain the HDR look of the image, Quick HDR is a one-click tool. And merge it again. We take a look at the before and after adjustment of the image, side by side. Of course, I will show you how to use this software, PhotoKaya. Here, the download link of the software is given below, in the description. With PhotoKaya software you can not only edit photos but also design albums very easily. Video tutorial link on quick album design is given in the description box. So friends, you can check out some more video tutorials on photo adjustment on our channel. The link is provided in the description box. Don't forget to give the video a like if you find it useful. Thank you all.